everybody! Welcome back to Toy Time! Are you guys already subscribed to our channel? Please hurry up and subscribe to our channel to watch many awesome adventures. Okay, so today Captain Hook, there he is right there on the Jolly Rogers. He's gonna try to capture the Paw Patrol. Do you think he'll be able to capture the Paw Patrol? And do you think the Paw Patrol will be able to escape the Jolly Rogers? So here we go, we're gonna start the fun adventure. Are you guys ready? Here we go! Hook, I told you to stop it. You cannot get the Paw Patrol, and I will make sure that the pups are safe. Don't worry, Jake. You and the Neverland pirates will never be able to stop me. I want those awesome puppies. I want Skye, I want Chase, I want Rubble, Rocky, Zuma, Everest, all of them. Oh my goodness, he knows the names for all the Paw Patrols. Alright, I have to ask my friends to really hide. Guys, do you see the Paw Patrol in the video? Oh, nobody sees the Paw Patrol, but I know where they are. Oh no, it looks like they know where my friends are hiding. My friends, the Paw Patrol. I have to make sure they get the message. Oh, you are sending a message to whom? Who are you sending the message to? I'm not gonna tell you, Hook. You are a bad guy. And I'll make sure my pups are safe. Ha! They're not your dogs. They're gonna be mine. No way. There they are. They are hiding inside the ship. Oh, but Hook doesn't know. Do you think we should tell them to hide? Do you think we should tell them to just escape? Don't worry, we got it covered. We are the Paw Patrol after all. Chase, Skye, and Zuma are here to save the day. And they will make sure that Hook learns his lesson. Not to capture cute little puppies that belong in Adventure Bay. We do not belong in the Neverland. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna scare Captain Hook. He's not gonna believe this. Jake, are you on your post? Get ready. I am ready, Paw Patrol. You guys can do anything you want because I am watching Captain Hook. He's never gonna find you guys. Hey, that silly pirate. He doesn't know that I know that the Paw Patrol is already here on the ship and I captured them. They are in the back of the ship inside their little cage. Yeah, that's the dog crates that I brought along. They're never gonna be able to escape. Oh no, Captain Hook outsmarted us. But don't worry, we will be able to escape. Just watch. There it is. There's the raft that Jake told us that we could use. Zuma, do you think you should go first? Yes, I already opened the crate. Don't worry, Skye. Once I open the crate and I get on the raft, I'll come and rescue you. You know I'm very good in rescue in the sea. I'm good piloting the raft and also my hovercraft. Here we go, Skye. When I count to 3, you jump on the raft. 1, 2, and 3. Skye, what are you waiting for? I'm afraid, Zuma. I'm afraid. I really need my helicopter. There's no time for the helicopter, Skye. You can do it. Come on. 1, 2, and 3. Jump! Yay, good job, Skye. I knew you could do it. And now Jake is gonna take care of the Jolly Rogers and make sure he gets to the beach safely. And also he's gonna tell Hook that it was very bad that he tried to capture us. That was not good. Wait a minute, and now where is Chase? We still have to find Chase and make sure all the other puppies in the control tower are safe. You know, Captain Hook is still gonna go around and try to get us. Oh, there is Chase, guys. He's still in the ship. What am I supposed to do? Don't worry, everyone. Chase is on the case. And I will make sure that I am also on the raft. Here I am. Wow, nice jump, Chase. Look at you. You're really a good rescue pup. Oh, yeah, Ryder trained me, and he is really good. Okay, guys, now we have to make sure that Jake is safe. You know, Captain Hook is such a crook. He thinks he can do anything that he wants. but we're here to stop him if he's not being a good guy. There is Jake, he's still in the ship. But don't worry guys, I am safe and sound. And I told Captain Hook that he was wrong, and he agreed to bring the ship to the beach. That's what he thinks. Oh no, Jake, are you okay? Don't worry, I will be okay, guys. I'll meet you at the shore. And Skye, don't forget to get the treasure chest. It's right underneath the raft. Oh, okay, so guys, I'm gonna dive real quick and go get the treasure chest. Get ready! And here it is. Skye was able to rescue the treasure chest from the bottom of the ocean. Wally is very happy, and so are the Paw Patrol. The Paw Patrol are getting ready to meet Jake, Wally, and together open the treasure chest. Okay, so they are almost here because I saw Chase by the beach. And there they are. Okay, so let's open the treasure chest and let's see if we have any doubloons or any treasures. Are you guys ready? So here we go. Let's open. Look guys, lots of gems and a doubloon. Wow, good job everyone. We are able to stop Captain Hook, rescue the Paw Patrol, and find the treasure. You guys are an awesome crew. Okay, so now that we solved the mystery and rescued everyone that needed to be rescued, it's time to ask everybody to leave us a comment in the comment area and let us know what you think of our video. Also, subscribe to our channel. So I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Thanks for watching. Toy Toy Time. Subscribe.